I've seen it over and over again. Someone learns how to sew. Now the person saves up some money, buy machines, open and rent a shop and open their business. But some few months later, you see this person struggling to keep up, struggling to pay their rent and struggling to even save money. It's not because they are bad designers, no, but because nobody took their time to really explain to them what it takes to run a successful fashion business. So if you've recently opened your shop or you are about to open your shop, then you are at the right place. I'm going to give you some 15 steps or guidelines you need to follow before you open your shop to run a very successful fashion business. Number 1, learn the business side of fashion before rushing into opening a shop. Yes, we have so many people who spend a lot of time, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, to learn fashion design, to learn how to sew, but actually do not take time to learn anything about the business side, like marketing, branding, bookkeeping, and so many things. They don't learn this. So if you want to be a successful fashion designer, don't rush into opening a shop. Learn the business first, because the sewing knowledge is going to help you make the clothes and make clients happy. But the business side is what is going to make you the money. Number 2, don't rent a big and inexpensive shop just to impress people. Nowadays, social media is giving so many people pressure. And we see that people are making it, having a nice aesthetics in their shop, and everything is going on well with people, and we want to imitate this. No, our clients don't actually, most of the times, think so much about a bigger or an expensive shop. What they want is for you to give them comfort, give them quality. Yeah, so you can start with some aesthetics, but it has to be something that aligns with your budget. Don't go for big loans just to decorate a shop. You are going to regret it. So please, make sure you grow. As you grow, then you move, you grow, you expand. Don't be under any pressure to go and find a big shop. Just start where you are, because fashion takes time and growth also takes time. Number 3, buy the equipment and machines that you need to start. We have people who are even in the house waiting to get everything together and everything set before they start their fashion business. And people are punishing themselves just to get all the equipment together. No, you need to start with what you have and what you can afford. So when you start the business and the business grows, it grows with all the equipment and all the machines that you need. So don't be under any pressure. Start with what you have. Choose a niche. Yes, there's a debate on this topic. Yes, people say you should actually do everything, but I beg to differ. Choose a niche. If you don't want to restrict yourself to just one thing, you can pick 1, 2, or 3 things that you want to be known for. If you don't niche down, you confuse your customers. Sometimes you also will not know how to even market your goods. If you don't niche down, you are not going to know your ideal customers. You are not going to know your target market. So your marketing is not going to be top notch. Yes, so if people hear your brand name or they see your shop, what should they know you for? People should know you for a particular thing. Oh, this lady, she does this. She does only bridals. She does structured dresses. She does ready to wear. She does this. Be known for something. Sometimes we think that sewing everything, being able to sew everything for all people is what is going to make us money. But no. The biggest and the most successful fashion designers are those that are known for one thing, and they have specialized and they are making it. So choose 1, 2, or 3 things to be known for. Don't be known for everything. Know your ideal customer or your target market. Ask yourself, who am I designing for? What type of job do they do? What things do they like, their interests? Where do they hang out on social media? You need to know your target market or your ideal customer. If you don't have a niche, you actually will not have an ideal customer. So you need to niche down. When you decide to sew a particular type of outfit, that is when you are going to know that this is my ideal customer. This is who I'm sewing for. If you know where they hang out on social media, then that is where you are going to market. So knowing your target market, knowing what they like, their fears, their challenges, what they love most, that is when you can serve them better, and selling also becomes very easy. Your marketing also becomes very easy. It means when you know them, you are just going to talk to them directly and they will know it is them that you are talking to. Number 6, know your numbers. Do you know how to do bookkeeping? You have to learn this before you rush into opening a shop. Yes, you can ask a designer, how many outfits did you sew in a month? They can proudly say, oh, I made 10. Some even don't know the number because they don't keep records. If somebody comes in and gives you money, you have to record it. If money goes out of your business, you have to also record it. So you need to be able to know your numbers. So learn something about finances, learn something about bookkeeping, and this is going to be a game changer for you. At the end of the month, you should know the profit you made. If you made a loss, you should know. Over the years, you are going to realize that this month, I make lots of money, but this month, I don't make lots of money. So you try to add up new things that is going to give you money. So bookkeeping is really important and you need to know that. Marketing starts before you open your shop. Some people are waiting to have the best shop, the big shop, the expensive shop before they can post online or tell people about their business. That is not so. Even before you open the shop, build anticipation. Let people know what you do. You can do offline marketing. Tell everybody around you that you sew. Online, start posting. If you are sewing in the house or in your room before you come out, make sure you have a small portion where you've decorated a bit and you use it to post your beautiful outfits that you sew. Don't wait to have the perfect. Just be posting and posting. Sometimes even the journey of you opening your shop, let people know when you first got the shop, how you are decorating it, how you are preparing. Post everything online so that you already have your fans already, you have your customers already, and on opening day, everybody is already aware of your business. Customer service is your greatest advertisement. A happy client always brings back so many people. So make sure your customers are satisfied, make sure they are comfortable, make sure they are happy. Your customer service should be top-notch. Respect your customers and treat them like queens and kings. And that is when more business is going to come to you. So please treat your customers well. They are going to sell you across the world, sell you in your community, wherever you are. Keep proper records. Make sure you write down everything. Your income, your expenses, your revenue, your profit, measurements, clients' details, everything. Make sure you write down everything. If you don't write down or document everything, you cannot grow. You get so much, you get so many things, and your business will be anyhow. So make sure you keep records of your clients, even their birthdays, and some time that you can wish them, and so many things. Just keep records of clients, their styles, their preferences, everything, and then your business is going to grow. Build systems early. Creating systems makes your business professional. You need to create order forms, measurement sheets, client follow-up systems, quality control systems. You need to know how everything is supposed to be done in your business. And that is what is going to help you grow very fast. And people will trust you better because you work as a professional. Invest in continuous learning. This fashion industry always moves forward, it always evolves, it always grows. So make sure you learn always. Invest in new trends, new technology, new things that are coming up, new sewing skills. Invest in the business and continuously learn. If you stop learning, your competitors are not stopping. So please make sure you keep up with trends, you forecast, know what is coming up, the new things that are coming, and make sure you get that thing also so that your business runs smoothly and grows very fast. Build relationship. Talent alone cannot take you where you want to be, and you alone cannot make your business successful. You have to connect with people, you have to build relationships. You connect with other people in the fashion industry like photographers, makeup artists, fashion enthusiasts, fashion bloggers, fashion journalists, so many people. Make sure you go to occasions and connect with people. When you meet more people, the opportunity that it will give you, money cannot buy. People can just give you the opportunity just because they know you. They can show your work even on TV if you get somebody there. So make sure you build more relationship, and that is going to help you grow. It's not for pity. Some people lower their prices because they think that clients will leave when they lower their prices. Some also price emotionally, thinking that clients cannot pay. Yes, but please, you have to know that if you don't price well, your business is going to suffer. I have a series on pricing, and you can check my other YouTube videos, you see it there. Yes, so people price because they think clients cannot pay. They price because they are afraid. They don't have confidence to price. If you don't price well, you are going to lose. Your business is not going to be successful. Let me tell you, if you receive money from a client, know that there is material cost, there is overheads, there is profit, and your labor. There are so many things that's involved. Sometimes we overlook the overhead costs. That is the rent that we pay, machine maintenance, the data that we use, so many things, utilities that we forget to charge clients. And at the end of the day, we lose lots of money. You can sew for somebody, take the money, and at the end of the day, you realize that there's nothing left for you. So you have to price smartly so that you can succeed. Number 8, build a brand, not a shop. Let me tell you this. Clients or people do not actually buy clothes. They buy experience. They buy you. They buy trust. They buy consistency. So make sure that as you rent your shop, you brand yourself. Your logo, your colors, your communication, your customer experience, your consistency. That is what will keep people coming to you. So don't just only think about sewing clothes, but think about giving people an experience of a lifetime. From the time they call you, the time they come to you, how you treat them, how you sew the clothes for them, how your place is very conducive for them, your customer service, everything. That is what is going to keep people, and that is what people are going to remember you by. So brand yourself, and people will patronize and fall in love with your brand. The last point, think of yourself as the CEO first than just a normal tailor. This is the most important lesson. Don't wake up every day thinking about what clothes or outfits am I going to sew today. Most at times, wake up and ask yourself, how am I going to grow the business today? As the CEO, you need to think about the most important thing, that's marketing and selling. Yes, how you are going to market, how you are going to make sales, how you are going to price, how you are going to cost your outfit, how you are going to brand yourself, how you are going to manage your money, how you are going to manage your finances. As the CEO, this is what you do. Make sure that you think about all these things every day in the days that you are also sewing. So as you are sewing, you are also running the business and acting as the CEO, doing marketing, posting online, and doing all of it by yourself. Mostly when you start, you are going to do everything, all of these by yourself. Yes. But when it gets to some time, you are going to employ people. You can now have a secretary, an administrative secretary. You can now have seamstresses to work with. You can now have an accountant. You can have production managers when you grow. So when you start, you are going to do everything by yourself. But make sure you don't just sew every day and forget about running the fashion business as a proper CEO. As the CEO, you must also think about expansion. You must think about vision. Be a visionary leader. Think about creating systems that is going to sustain the business. So now, if you've watched this video, I know you've learned a lot. Opening the shop is the easiest part, but it takes knowledge, it takes discipline, it takes learning to run a successful fashion business. So please don't rush. Don't follow trends or pressure. Just prepare yourself, prepare capital, and prepare enough to run a successful fashion business. Mind you, know that you are not going to open just a shop. You are going to create a business that serves people's needs, that creates jobs, and change lives at the long run. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and click on the notification bell if you want to receive more videos from us. We are going to bring you more on business, on pricing in fashion, and we are going to also teach you how to sew on this channel. So don't be left out. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.